Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off traffic skip notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Now tap on the Apps option. Select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in traffic skip and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. Now, in order to turn off traffic skip notifications, disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off traffic skip notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.